Another wireless Apple CarPlay solution brought by Carlinkit Mini 2, and the reason it's called Mini is because this is the smallest wireless Apple CarPlay adapter that you will find out there. And this device comes in 4 different colors, so as you can see I picked this green color. It comes also with this USB-C cable that is going to be used to connect, and there is nothing else in the box. And it's a small device. It's smaller than an AirPods case, so I really like it. It won't take that much space in the car. On the back we have a status LED light and some more information like serial numbers and all that kind of stuff. On the other side we have that cool looking vent for venting purposes so it doesn't overheat, and a USB-C port. So let's get started and see how long it will take before the iPhone will be hooked up and ready to go. And I'm gonna start the timer as soon as Apple CarPlay shows on the display. That means it's recognized the device. Now I previously paired my iPhone and it should auto connect, but if it doesn't, hit that settings button on the bottom right side corner and make sure auto connect is on. Now here we are in the menu, and the screen moves pretty okay, not any major lag or delays. There is a little bit of a delay but nothing major. I will show you how it looks compared with the wired connection. The wired connection feels a little bit smoother. That's because of the data exchange is faster through the cable. In the next test we'll check to see if there is any delay in between songs playing, stopping and skipping. It did pretty good at the song test. Now we're gonna just drag the map around and search for some points of interest and see if there is any major lag or delay in this process. So far so good, it moves pretty quick. Now performance wise, the unit is not meant to be used for super long trips because it can overheat and performance will be reduced. This is such a great device if you are commuting back and forth to work and you don't want to plug in the car, you just want to go explore some new places, grocery shopping for a short distance or short trips. But for the longer trips it will just drain the battery, because wireless CarPlay drains the battery. Is not because of this unit itself, but just because of the wireless connection. There is a lot of data exchange, so that's when battery drainage would be. So it's not meant for long trips, good for short trips, and as performance wise should be awesome. Now if you experience any kind of audio or media delay, then you may want to check the settings of this unit. To do that you gotta open up Safari and type this address in. This is the control panel. This is where you can update the unit to the latest version to ensure it works properly with the newer cars. But we want to go all the way to the settings, and here we have a bunch of settings. We have call quality, you want to set it to HD for high definition, and then there is media delay. The lowest setting would be 500, default will come with 1000, so you want to lower that to 500, so that way we minimize any audio delay. So that's it for this video. If you like this kind of content, please click like and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video.